Listen, before the video starts, I just wanted to let you know about a few things. Down below, you can find links to all the important information you may need. The recipe will be written out down there. There will be affiliate links to the products used in the video, the music that we used, and our social media is down there as well. Plus, we have a new thing. We've got a Patreon page, and that link is down there as well. So feel free to check that out, and I'll be getting out of your way. Wild yeast. It's just out there in the wind. All you have to do is catch it and give it a nice place to live, and you'll have it working for you in no time. I have to catch a new batch myself. Come on, I'll show you. I like to use a Kilner-style jar with the rubber gasket removed. It lets the starter breathe, and it lets gases escape. So brown rice flour works very well and seems to be the most economical in the feeding and upkeep of your starter. I like to mix some buckwheat flour into my starter once I get it going. It seems to add to the flavor. Here I mix a 1/4 cup of brown rice flour with the same amount of water, and then I mix it really well, and then I put it over next to an open window while I clean the kitchen. And then I just leave it alone overnight. The next day, I'll add 3 tablespoons of brown rice flour and the same amount of water. Mix it well and leave it alone overnight. Then I just rinse and repeat with 3 tablespoons of flour and water for up to 10 days until you see some bubbling occurring. Then you might want to feed your starter, mix it well, put a rubber band around the jar to mark the level that it's at, and check it in 6 hours. This is mine during a 6-hour period. By day 10 at the latest, it should be rising above the rubber band, if not doubling in size. And if it doesn't, I would throw it out and start over again. At this point, your starter's ready to use to make bread or pancakes or just about anything else. And if you're not going to use it, just take out a 1/4 cup, add 3 tablespoons of flour and 3 tablespoons of water, mix it and keep it in the refrigerator. Feed it once a week and it'll keep in the fridge indefinitely.